Oil may look like a simple black liquid, but its journey is one of the most extreme and fascinating stories on Earth. Hidden beneath kilometers of rock and ocean, this ancient substance powers our cars, builds our plastics, and even helps produce food. Today, you'll dive into a world few people ever see, the real engineering that brings oil from the ocean floor to the surface. Stay with me, because what happens down there is almost unbelievable. Welcome to How It's Made Daily Channel, where we reveal the hidden processes behind the machines, materials, and technologies that shape our world. In today's journey, prepare to explore one of the most powerful and complex industries on the planet, offshore oil extraction. Long before offshore platforms existed, humans had already encountered a strange substance that would change everything. Crude oil. Thick, dark, and sticky. This liquid is made from the remains of ancient plants and microscopic organisms that sank to the ocean floor millions of years ago. Under heat, pressure, and geological time, they transformed into the oil we know today. Large oil reserves are usually found trapped inside porous rock layers deep underground, especially beneath oceans and coastlines. And even if you don't see it, oil is everywhere around you. It becomes gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, asphalt, plastics used in toys and packaging, cosmetics, synthetic fibers, and even chewing gum. Modern life simply wouldn't exist without it. From powering trucks and airplanes to producing medicine, electronics, fertilizers, and food packaging, oil is one of the most versatile resources ever discovered. Its impact began in the late 1800s and grew rapidly as engines, industries, and cities expanded. Today, more than 80% of everything we use daily relies on oil at some stage of production. The search begins with seismic surveys. Ships send powerful sound waves into the seabed, and sensors read how those waves bounce back. These echoes reveal underground layers and possible oil reservoirs. Geological maps, pressure models, and satellite data help experts decide where to drill, long before a single drop is found. Once a reservoir is confirmed, colossal structures are built, offshore platforms. Some float, some are anchored to the seabed, and others weigh more than skyscrapers. They house living quarters, drilling towers, cranes, laboratories, and entire power systems. These platforms are cities at sea, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A massive drill bit spins through layers of rock, guided by sensors that send real-time data to surface control rooms. Engineers can steer the drill horizontally with astonishing precision. Drilling mud cools the equipment, stabilizes pressure, and brings rock fragments back to the surface. Sometimes, wells extend several kilometers horizontally beneath the ocean. Far below the waves, remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, handle tasks too dangerous for humans. They connect pipes, inspect valves, tighten bolts, and monitor leaks. Their robotic arms work with millimeter precision in total darkness, guided by pilots aboard the platform. Without ROVs, modern offshore drilling wouldn't be possible. When the well reaches the reservoir, natural pressure forces oil upward. In some wells, pumps help lift it to the surface. Safety valves, sensors, and control systems keep the pressure stable. Everything is monitored in real time, because even small fluctuations can be critical. Once the oil reaches the platform, it goes through separators that remove water, natural gas, and sediments. Gas may be used to power turbines on the platform itself, while the crude oil is prepared for transport. Only then is it sent through pipelines or loaded onto massive tankers. The crude oil travels through kilometers of underwater pipelines or is pumped directly into oil tankers. These ships are engineered to cross oceans safely, delivering the raw oil to refineries around the world. Every journey is tracked and monitored 24/7 to avoid spills and protect the environment. Working offshore means living in a world apart. Workers stay on the platform for weeks at a time, sleeping in shared cabins, following strict safety routines, and performing precision tasks in shifts that never stop. On breaks, They visit the gym, eat together, or chat to ease the isolation. Even at night, the constant hum of machinery reminds everyone that the platform never rests. When the crude oil finally leaves the platform, its transformation is just beginning. In giant refineries, the oil is heated, distilled, and chemically separated. Gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, plastics, lubricants, and countless other products emerge from a single origin. What started deep under the ocean becomes the building block of modern society. When you see an offshore platform on the horizon, it looks like nothing more than steel rising from the sea. But now you know the truth. Beneath it exists a hidden universe of science, engineering, pressure, danger, and human dedication. Every drop of oil carries a story written in darkness and time. From deep beneath the ocean floor to the machines that power our everyday lives. And there's something even more incredible. Behind every drill, valve, robot, and glowing control panel are real people, engineers, divers, geologists, operators, who spend weeks away from home to keep the world running. If this journey opened your eyes, tell me in the comments which part fascinated you the most. Was it the drilling, the seismic scans, the underwater robots, or the sheer power of the ocean? I'd love to read your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a world most people never see, subscribe and turn on notifications. We explore the hidden engineering behind the things that shape our lives. And check the first pinned comment. I left a special bonus for you there, an exclusive ebook that expands this story even further. Share this video with someone who loves science, engineering, or great stories. Bye, stay well, see you in the next video, and may God bless you.